Hey, good morning. We are here now in the parking lot of Alamere Falls. I got here early, left the camping spot pretty early, got here. It was pretty overcast, so I decided just to hang out for a while, make some breakfast, get all my stuff together, really make sure I'm ready for the day. And the Jeep's gonna be parked right there. And we're about to start this hike. So it's about, I talked to the ranger, he said it's about 11-mile round trip. So I say, let's just get into it. And hopefully this fog clears up before we get there. See, over here it's kind of nice and sunny. Over there it's really overcast, so hopefully it clears up, but let's start the day. We are here. We gotta take this trail all the way down to there. So pretty much just stay left, I guess. That's what it looks like. I don't think we've gone very too far. Been taking my time, but this is cool. This trail goes right along the coast. It's pretty much like how when we first got to Highway 1, the whole trail the whole drive was like along the coast. And it's nice that the trail, this hiking trail, is along the coast, so we can really walk and, you know, take in the beauty. And I can get you guys some more of that beauty for the camera here. So we'll see how much further we have to go. I do have a map, so that helps a lot. But I think we have at least like 3 more miles, if not 4. Okay, there's something behind me. Let me know if you guys can see it. We should have brought another shirt. I don't know what I was thinking, wearing a long sleeve shirt today. It's like, it was overcast, but it wasn't like cold or anything. So I guess we're just gonna get a nice tan going on today. So I think we're about halfway there. Should be there in a little bit. So yeah, but this trail is super easy so far. Hopefully it stays that way. I'm not trying to get a crazy leg workout today. So it is nice though. It's kind of just been like this the whole time, just a dirt road, you know, trees and bushes on the side, a couple bridges, but it's nice. I don't know. Okay, I don't know if this is the right trail or not. It seems like I always get lost, but they did say this is a pretty hard spot to find in the beginning. We were on that main trail, and that goes to another place down the road. But I was talking to some people, you know, on the way here and whatnot, and he said there's gonna be a left on the main trail. It looks like a spot that definitely doesn't lead anywhere, but it definitely does go somewhere. And this definitely looks like that spot, because it's like the biggest off trail, like side branch I've seen. So I don't know, but this is spooky, huh? Well, let's just walk down this way a little ways and see if it is the right trail or not. All right, I'm pretty sure this is the right trail. It opened up, we can kind of see around, and I can hear a waterfall, so we're definitely getting closer. I think this is the right trail. So I'll see you guys when we get a little bit closer. Alright, I guess we gotta get down this way. I forgot to bring my chest strap, so we're gonna see how we're gonna do this here. So let's go down. Ooh. We're finally here. What I'm wondering is how we get actually down there to the beach. But it's just this cliffside right here. I don't know. I'm gonna try walking across the top of the waterfall here, and it kind of looks like people have been going that way. So I'm not all too sure, but I'm determined to get down there to the beach because I want to go in the ocean and hang out for a little while at least, you know. But this is cool. I've never seen anything like this before. A waterfall, freshwater waterfall that goes into the ocean. That's so cool. Nice. That's a trail right there. Maybe steep, but it's a trail. Oh! Wow! Ah, they're gonna come back and kill me. Ah! Ah! Wow! There's so many. The 4-mile hike into here, I think was definitely worth it to come check these falls out. It's so cool. I've never seen a waterfall go into the ocean. It's really cool. And I wish there was a better day out, but we can't always have the best days out. So I'm probably not gonna get in the ocean today. I walked in there with just like my feet. It's chilly. And then I went in that. That's a must. And we're gonna hang out here a little longer, and then we're gonna head back up to the Jeep, and we gotta head back into town. So I'll see you guys probably at the Jeep. Alright, we're back at the Jeep, and I'm ready to get out of here. First thing we need to do is get somewhere to upload yesterday's video. So, I'll see you guys then.